Chef Roundeye here, coming to you from the new Griddle Dojo. This is where we take backyard barbecue to the next level. Today, I'll be preparing Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's check out these ingredients for these Philly cheesesteaks. We're going to start off, we've got a pound of ribeye steak that the butcher shaved up for us, provolone cheese. I've got these nice hoagie rolls. I'm going to slice one of them open. I'm going to toast it, but I'm going to coat it with, instead of butter, I'm going to use mayonnaise because that's what I like on my cheesesteak. For our veggies, we've got a sweet onion. We've got sliced up green pepper and white mushrooms. I've got a little bit of salt, pepper, 5 garlic cloves that are chopped up. I'm going to cook the meat in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to give it a little extra flavor. So let's get this food on the griddle. All right, let's start off with the green peppers. I want to get them nice and soft. The mushrooms will go, as far as veggies go, the mushrooms will go last. And then we'll just put everything off to the side. My little rack here for the bread. Roll nice and toasted here. Once all the veggies are cooked up, I'll blend them together, put them to the side, and then we'll get that meat on there. All right, so the peppers are at a nice hot temp, cooking nicely. I'm gonna move them over just a little bit here, and we're gonna get these onions on. Once the onions start to brown, I'll move them over with the peppers. We'll throw the mushrooms on. Put the peppers and onions together here. Because that's how we do it, Roundeye style. White mushrooms coming up. I gotta say too, the Griddle Dojo, which we all know it's a Grill Gazebo, but it just sounds kind of lame, but we call it the Griddle Dojo. I tell you what, it was a great investment. I'm really glad I got this dojo. One thing we did to enhance it is I raised it 1 foot. It seemed more closed in, and I just thought, you know, what if we raised this 1 foot, and it did. It just opened this all up. The LED lighting we put in here is absolutely fantastic. I can see. It's already, sun's starting to go down, and I can see everything. It's great. I've got plenty of light in here. So far, Griddle Dojo is exactly why I bought it. Freaking awesome. Everyone should have a Griddle Dojo. Everyone. If you don't have a Blackstone and you have a regular grill, first get the Blackstone and then get a Griddle Dojo. And you can make your Griddle Dojo. Some people have porches, covers, and lighting. I had the big open area. I just didn't have any covering and I didn't have any lighting. Made it really difficult to cook at night, and that problem is now solved. All right, 1 pound of ribeye coming up. And let's get that garlic on there. That's 5 cloves, all chopped up. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And now Worcestershire. Alright. A little pepper. I can already tell you right now, the Worcestershire, the garlic, salt, and pepper, just that alone, it smells, oh my God, I am like fat guy Homer drool. This, oh wow, look at that. Woo. All right, introduce veggies to meat. Meat, veggies. Veggies, meat. Now, a little bit of cheese. Provolone. Told y'all I was going to get one. The extra large tasting dome. All right, we're good to go. All right, so 1 pound of ribeye, sweet onion, green pepper, white mushrooms, salt and pepper, 5 garlic cloves. What else? What else? Worcestershire. Mix it all in. Provolone cheese. I made a big mistake. I got a little roll. It should have been a big fat boy roll. Let's take a bite of this and see how good it is. That's where it's at. Flavor is great. The Worcestershire does not, it's not the overwhelming flavor. You can taste a little bit of all of them. Not one dominates the other. Delicious Philly cheesesteak. That's the way I make it. You can make it your own way. Put your own seasonings on it, however you want to prepare the meat. Whatever veggies you want to use that you enjoy, because that's what creating is all about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like, share button, subscribe, follow me. As you can see, the Griddle Dojo is up. We're going to be cooking in it all year long and beyond. Everybody, have a great evening. Griddle up.